Hey everybody, I'm Jill Redfern and welcome to Third Shift Movement Shop, home of literal technique. In this tutorial, we're going to do a combination that I call the Pelvic Barrel Sextet in 18+4. This combination is going to be in plie. So rather than stepping onto one foot when we shift our weight, we're going to be shifting our weight back and forth, but in plie, which changes the alignment of the pelvic barrel. This combination, the pelvic barrel is at the center of this combination. And so because of that, I'm going to call out transversus. Transversus is the deepest of the four abdominals in literal technique, and it requires contraction on the sides of the body and also low in the front of the abdominal area, just above the pubic bone of the pelvic barrel. This contraction here stabilizes the sacral vertebrae, and the sacral vertebrae is where we find alignment of the pelvic barrel. So if we can keep the sacral vertebrae neutral, we can keep the pelvic barrel neutral when we move. We can't just focus on transversus and the pelvic barrel though, because the body doesn't really work that way. If the rib cage barrel is out of whack, it'll be hard to maintain stability in the pelvic barrel. So we also need all 7 muscles, and we need neutral 33 vertebrae from the skull down into the sacral vertebrae, into the tailbone. So the other thing is that we'll need to focus on those 2 joints in the vertebrae, the joint between the thoracic and the lumbar vertebrae, called the thoracolumbar joint, and the joint between the lumbar and the sacrum, the lumbosacral joint. Those 2 joints have to stay neutral, or we will throw off alignment of the entire 33 vertebrae anatomical curve. Okay, with all of that in mind, what we're going to do is 3 6s plus 4 in plie with a stable pelvic barrel. Here, get the connections between the externals and the lats and the externals and the pec majors, and enlist all 4 abdominal muscles to help you stabilize the 2 barrels. Erector spinae help us stabilize the anatomical curves from the back of the skull down into the sacrum. So we've got a lot of help here. Okay, I'm going to show you the combination, then we'll talk about it, and then we'll do it again. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can see where the pelvic barrel stability is coming in. We're down here, we're moving front, I'm shifting my weight forward, I'm shifting my weight back. Keeping the pelvic barrel stable when we're constantly doing that is really difficult unless you're using the muscles. So what you want to watch for is when you're in plie, it's easy to get out here. That means the lumbosacral joint is not neutral. If you're up here as well, it means the thoracolumbar joint is not neutral. So we want to find neutrality in both. When we take a step and shift our weight onto the front leg, we want to maintain that neutrality. Pick up the back leg, right? And then we're going to move and shift it back. And you want to avoid 2 things. You'll either shift back like this, or you could be shifting back like that, which means you've got extension and flexion, and we don't want either one of those things. We want the pelvic barrel to shift, we want to shift our weight back in plie with the pelvic barrel neutral. Take the leg off the ground. Feel the contraction low here. Let it support the sacrum. Okay, so Keeping all those things in mind, let's do this one more time, and we'll do it twice through on each side. All right, one more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In your class this week, use this combination to help you find what it feels like to have a pelvic barrel and a ribcage barrel that are balanced. But also, when you're in plie and you're moving, when you're locomoting is changing weight constantly. It's not like stepping onto one leg and hanging out there. You're constantly shifting weight. Your weight is lower. And once you get into plie, the pelvic barrel alignment has to shift. The neutrality is the same, but it's different being here than it is being here. So we want to immediately be able to know where we are with our bones and our muscles. So use this combination to find the feeling of a balanced, neutral pelvic barrel when you're moving, so that you can immediately correct it when you know that you're not there. Okay, I'll see you next week.